Do you find yourself gazing at the roof during sleepless evenings? Whether you're a light sleeper who requires complete silence or just someone who likes to listen to calming music while sleeping, you should consider getting a pair of sleep headphones. These headphones help block out disruptive noises created by snoring spouses, traffic outside, or loud neighbors. Some models even play relaxing music that helps you calm down and sleep. Unfortunately, with the variety of brands and models on the market, it can be tricky to narrow down the ideal sleep headphone, but don't despair. We have explored the top sleep headphones of 2023 and curated a guide on how to make an informed decision when buying a pair. So keep watching to find the perfect companion for a good night's sleep. Number 1. Musicozy Sleep Headphones. The Musicozy sleep headphones employ a progressive Bluetooth technology that makes your sleeping experience comfortable and wire-free. They're ideal for insomniacs and those who require some background noise to sleep peacefully. Their 6mm composite drivers deliver proportioned, clear, and crisp audio no matter what you're listening to. And, with the 240 mAh lithium rechargeable battery, you can go for as long as 10 hours of unhindered listening on a single charge. This pick ensures your utmost comfort with a braided cable and a cozy layout made with breathable, elastic materials. The Bluetooth headband is sweat resistant, with ultra-thin HD stereo speakers, and is an ideal fit for side sleepers. You can also use these headphones during your workout, as they remain securely in place throughout any activity, making sure you don't skip anything from your audio selection. They are designed for comfort, portability, and impeccable sound quality, making them the top sleep headphones on our list. Number 2. Peritone Sleep Headphones. The Peritone sleep headphones have a smooth headband that's ideal for anyone looking for a relaxing slumber. Completely wireless and lightweight, these headphones eliminate uncomfortable earbud pressure, allowing you to sleep comfortably. But that's not all. Their ultra-thin HD stereo speakers provide crystal-clear sound without disturbing your sleep. These Bluetooth headphones can work for 10 long hours after one charge, which only takes up to 2.5 hours. Plus, the Bluetooth connection is robust, stable, and pairs quickly, consuming less energy overall. Even more, the adjustable headband and soft inner cushion add some extra comfort. Made from breathable mesh fabric and a braided cable, these headphones are extremely elastic and can fit almost all head shapes. What's more, they come in 14 different colors, so you can choose whichever best suits your taste. Best of all, these sleep headphones are multifunctional, so you can use them for jogging, yoga, workout sessions, meditation, and even air travel. Number 3. Top Point Sleep Headphones. Top Point sleep headphones are the perfect way to drift off into dreamland. Blocking out light and noise, this pick is designed for maximum relaxation. First of all, the extra cushioning towards the nose region makes sure that your face will not start hurting after using these headphones for a while. Secondly, the upgraded 200 mAh built-in battery lasts for 9 hours straight, and it takes about 2 hours for these headphones to fully charge, with a blue light indicator letting you know when they're done. These headphones feature Bluetooth technology that offers exceptional HD sound quality. With an elastic, velvety design, these wireless headphones give you full control over your sleep environment. Meanwhile, the microphone lets you stay connected with the outside world without being disturbed. Simply put, these sleep headphones beautifully combine comfort, convenience, and quality. Number 4. HandPure Sleep Headphones. The HandPure Sleep Headphones combine 3 functions: headphones, a sleep mask, and a sports headband, offering great versatility. The stylish Wave Edge headband layout features a wireless headset and mic inside to help you cancel out snoring and relish tunes while sleeping. Plus, it can obstruct radiant lights during naps, allowing you to rest more peacefully. The flat speakers are padded for added comfort, so these are relaxing for side sleepers as well. The premium rechargeable battery can last up to 10 hours of playtime without having to charge again and again. These headphones also boast 5.2 Bluetooth technology that consumes less power and connects quickly, all while featuring a pretty good range. And, for your convenience, they have a fabric cutout so you can remove electronic components and wash the headset easily. This pick also makes a great stocking stuffer for your loved ones as a practical gift that will truly help them get their good night's rest. Number 5. Elsie Delita Sleep Headphones. Available in a variety of designs, this sleep mask with integrated headphones provides first-class serenity when you're ready to shut down. These wireless headphones combine a thin speaker and microphone so that your music comes through crisp and clear without disturbing those around you with excess noise. Being wireless, they let you enjoy your music peacefully without having to deal with tangled wires. And, for the gym goers among us, a strap is included to avoid sweat dripping into your eyes as you work out. A hands-free mic allows users to make or take calls without having to break away from their music, providing convenience as well as luxurious comfort at any time of night. Utilizing the latest Bluetooth technology, this pick turns your late-night downtime into an experience of pure bliss by ensuring a stable connection for a break-free music experience. Taking it further, the thin 0.25-inch speaker delivers stereo sound-grade quality and a relaxing musical atmosphere. As the cherry on top, the built-in chip battery gets fully charged within 2 hours to provide 8 to 10 long hours of seamless music.